Hey guys, our team at SEO PowerSuite has built a new and improved content editor tool. So now you'll have one app to write new content, edit the pages you already have, and create SEO tasks for your content team. Let me show you how it works. After you've created a project, navigate to Content Analysis, Content Editor. Here, enter the page you want to optimize and specify your target keywords. Pick the mode that works best for you. In browser mode, you'll see and edit your content exactly as it appears in a web browser, complete with all of the banners, pictures, and hyperlinks. With document mode, you'll get a completely stripped-down version of your page, without anything cluttering your view, perfect for editing. After the tool has analyzed your page, we can get down to optimization. Here you can view and edit your page. And here you'll find the optimization tools and tips, such as the page's overall optimization score. It will change each time you edit page's content. On-page issues you should fix to improve the optimization score. Mapped keywords. Here you'll see if you need to add more or remove keywords from content. A huge list of recommended keywords. Those are the keywords most commonly used by your niche competitors, extracted using the TF-IDF method. The green color means the keyword usage is alright. Gray signals you need to add more, and red means you'd better remove some to avoid keyword stuffing issues. Also, make sure to check the competitors section. See how they used target and recommended keywords in text. By clicking on any of them, you'll get their pages in reading view with relevant keywords highlighted. By the way, you can always adjust the list of competitors you are interested in, adding new ones to the list or deleting the old ones. But be careful, this will change the optimization guidelines. Turn to Topic and Questions to see exactly what content search engines expect to see on your page. It will tell you the most popular user questions related to keywords. Try and answer as many of them as you can. Keep an eye on your word cloud to see what words are dominating your page. Use this feature to know what words will be considered main by the search engine. Whether you are writing a new page or optimizing an already existing one, watch in real time how your page title and meta description may look on the SERP. And immediately see how your topic competitors filled out their titles and meta descriptions. Use it to figure out your target query search intent and adjust accordingly. When you're happy with your edits, you can either copy the text and paste it into your CMS or export the entire page into HTML. If you're not going to write or optimize the page yourself, you can always click the Download PDF button and send the keyword guidelines to your copywriter. You can remove some phrases or change values here before saving the report. Now it's high time to jumpstart your on-page SEO. Download Website Auditor for free and give it a try.